How to download music from YouTube to MP3. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your YouTube, and after that you would be able to find this option of your profile at the top right hand side corner. Simply click on it. After that, click on this option of YouTube Studio. Now scroll down on the left hand side panel, and here you would be able to find this option of audio library. Simply click on it. After that, you would be able to find all the different kinds of music over here, and in case if you have something on your mind, then you can also search for that particular music over here, and then if you want to download it, you would be able to find this option of download as well. Simply download it. If you want to preview it before downloading it, then simply select this option of play and you would be able to listen it up, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.